Ohio auto insurance policies are divided into separate categories. Typical coverage categories are liability, medical payments, uninsured, underinsured motorist, and damages to your auto. Your coverages are specified on the declaration page of your policy. Insurance policies in Ohio offer coverage for vehicles driven by you or your family members that live with you. There are numerous exclusions where coverage would be denied, such as if you're driving a vehicle during employment. Auto policies are required to have liability coverage for property damage and bodily injuries. Property damage coverage pays for damage that your vehicle causes to other people's property, such as another vehicle or an object such as a fence or a wall. Bodily injury coverage pays for injury or death to others when the driver of your car is at fault in the accident. The declaration page has a breakdown of what is covered on your policy. Categories are broken into two limits. Sometimes these are shown with a slash between two numbers. The first number is the maximum coverage for injuries to one single person. The second is the maximum amount for all persons injured in the accident. For example, with a $100,000, $300,000 policy, the maximum amount of coverage available to a single person is $100,000. If there are additional people injured in the accident, the maximum for all claims of that accident is $300,000. This can cause issues when there are more than one person injured in an accident. So let's say there's an insured has a $100,000, $300,000 policy and causes an accident. 3 people are hurt in the accident. Person A has $125,000 in medical bills, Person B has $10,000 in medical bills, and Person C has $5,000 in bills. The policy will cover the first $100,000 for Person A, $10,000 to B, and $5,000 to C. The reason is because the maximum to each party is capped at $100,000 under this example. Because Person A exceeds the single limit, the at-fault party remains liable for $25,000 to Person A. The total coverage paid is $115,000 in this example, which is below the $300,000 cap. Even though there's a total coverage of $300,000, the policy is limited to $100,000 per party, and you can't shift from those under the limit to pay for those over.